Get ready, because after today, you're going to be making perfect spaghetti every time using your Instapot. So let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients that we're going to use today for our Instapot spaghetti. And I will list all of these along with the directions in the description below the video. So we're going to start with our spaghetti. We're going to need a little bit of ground beef, about 1 pound, some olive oil, some spaghetti sauce, about 24 ounces, 1 medium yellow onion, 2 cups of water, and then for our spices, we're going to have just a little bit of salt, some fresh oregano, and then some garlic. I like to get these that are already peeled. Now we have everything ready to go in our Instapot, and we are going to start with adding a little bit of olive oil and then our onions and garlic. First thing we're going to do is turn our Instapot on to saute, and we're going to pour just a little bit of olive oil into the bottom. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and put our onions in. And we're going to put in our garlic. So we have pushed saute and start, and you can hear that it is getting going. And we're just going to mix this gently while it starts to saute. And we're going to do this, for just a few minutes. So our onion and our garlic is now softened a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and add in our ground beef. We have our ground beef in, and now we're just going to chop this up, and we're going to mix it all together, and we're going to continue stirring until all the pinkness is gone from our meat. Our ground beef is looking wonderful with the onions. All the pink is gone, and now we're going to add in our spaghetti sauce. We're going to be adding about 24 ounces. It's 1 full jar of spaghetti sauce. And then just mix that up really well. We're still on the saute mode for a few more minutes. Next, we're going to take our 2 cups of water. We're going to add that in. Okay. Go ahead and add in just a little bit of salt just across the top. Just a little bit. Put in your oregano. And just mix gently. And what I like to do is you take your spaghetti and you break it in half. And then you just put this in here like this in clumps. I know it looks kind of funny, but it works. And you just stick it in. Do not mix it. You just start sticking the spaghetti in. Now we have all of our spaghetti, and you just push it underneath the surface after you've broken it in half. So now we have our lid on, and you want to make sure you take your little switch up here and you push it to seal. You want to seal your vent. So push it to seal. Now you want to set your Instapot. You're going to put it on pressure cooker, and you're going to put it on high, and you're going to do this for 10 minutes. So now we are warming up and getting ready for the pressure cooking part, and as soon as we are done, I will be right back. We're doing good. We've been going for about 6 minutes. We've got 4 to go, and if this is helpful to you, please click that like button so YouTube knows you like us, and hit subscribe so you'll know when our next videos come out. So we have finished with our 10 minutes, and we're going to go up here and we are going to do a quick release. So the steam has stopped and it's already beeped to let us know that it's safe to open it. So we're going to open this and see what our spaghetti looks like. When you first open it, it's still going to be bubbling. And now we're going to check it out. And there we go. I tell you what, this is smelling fantastic. That garlic and the tomato sauce actually makes a ton of spaghetti. If you want to make less, just chop all of your ingredients in half. I'm going to probably freeze this and eat it later in the week. Let's scoop out some though and have some now. We're all done. It looks wonderful and it tastes great. Be sure and check out that video that's popping up. I'll see you over there in a few moments. Have a great day. Bye-bye.